Scene script. Have you ever wondered how to protect your innovative ideas and creative works? Well, my friends, you've wandered into the right corner of the internet. This is where we delve into the realm of intellectual property. In the world we live in, where ideas are the new currency, protecting them becomes paramount. Intellectual property, often referred to as IP, is the legal term for creations of the mind. It's the umbrella under which we find patents, trademarks, and copyrights, each serving a unique purpose in the ecosystem of innovation. Patents, for instance, are essentially the protective shields for inventions. They provide the inventor with exclusive rights to their creation, preventing others from making, using, or selling the invention without permission. This exclusivity is a form of recognition and incentive for innovators, fueling further advancements. Next in line, we have trademarks. Now imagine you've created a brand that's well loved by people. Trademarks are what help you protect that brand identity, that name, or that logo from being used by others. They ensure that your brand remains unique and recognizable. And then there are copyrights. These are the protectors of your creative expressions. Whether you've written a novel, composed a song, or developed software, copyrights safeguard your work from being copied or distributed without your consent. Intellectual property rights are not just about protection, though. They're also about empowering creators and innovators. They provide a platform for you to share your ideas with the world, to collaborate, and to build upon the existing body of knowledge. They open doors to commercialization and technology transfer, turning ideas into tangible products and services that improve lives. So you see, understanding intellectual property rights is not just about keeping others from stealing your ideas. It's about fostering innovation and creativity, about contributing to the global pool of knowledge and technology. Thus, understanding intellectual property rights is crucial in securing your innovative ideas. You have an innovative idea, but how do you take it to market? This question is where the fascinating process of technology transfer comes into play. Here on PatenTALK, we delve deep into this significant, yet often overlooked aspect of innovation. Technology transfer is the process of taking scientific findings from laboratories to the marketplace. Imagine you've created a groundbreaking technology. You've patented it and protected your intellectual property rights. What's next? This is where technology transfer steps in. It's the bridge that connects your innovative idea with its potential real-world application. So how does this happen? In essence, technology transfer is a collaborative effort. It involves licensing your invention to a company that has the means to manufacture and distribute it. This collaboration is a win-win situation. As an innovator, you gain recognition and compensation for your invention. The company, on the other hand, gets a new product or service to offer, driving their competitive edge in the market. However, the concept of technology transfer isn't limited to just licensing. It also encompasses other forms of collaboration. This could include research partnerships, joint ventures, or even the creation of startups. The goal is to ensure the efficient commercialization of your invention, turning your innovative idea into a product or service that benefits society. But let's not forget, technology transfer also has a broader impact. It fuels economic growth, creates jobs, and drives societal progress. Think about it. Every time a new technology is launched in the market, it creates a ripple effect. It's not just about a new product or service, it's about the change that this innovation brings to our lives. In a nutshell, technology transfer is a crucial cog in the wheel of innovation. It's about more than just commercializing an idea. It's about transforming the fruits of scientific research into tangible benefits for society. It's about making sure that your brilliant idea doesn't just stay an idea but becomes a reality that can change the world. Through technology transfer, we bridge the gap between innovation and implementation. What's the latest in the aviation industry? Well, buckle up and prepare for takeoff as we journey into the fascinating world of aviation. The aviation industry is a complex and exciting landscape, continually evolving and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. In the realm of innovation, sustainable aviation is the buzzword. From electric aircraft to biofuels, the industry is making leaps and bounds in its quest for greener skies. Companies are venturing into the uncharted territories of vertical takeoff and landing, autonomous flight, and even supersonic travel. The sky is no longer the limit. But innovation isn't just about the aircraft, it's about enhancing the overall flying experience. We're seeing a revolution in cabin design, in-flight connectivity, and passenger comfort. Companies are reimagining every aspect of the journey, from the time you check in until the moment you collect your luggage. Let's not forget the regulatory landscape. With new technology comes new challenges. Regulators worldwide are grappling with questions about safety, privacy, and environmental impact. They are working tirelessly to ensure that the future of aviation is not only innovative but also safe and sustainable. In the face of such dynamism, it's crucial to stay informed. Understanding these trends and developments allows us to see where the industry is heading and what opportunities may be on the horizon. Keeping up with the latest in aviation helps drive innovation in the industry. So let's keep our eyes on the skies and our minds open to the limitless possibilities of aviation. But why navigate this complex world alone? PatenTALK is not just a platform for learning and discovery, it is a thriving community. It is a place where curious minds meet, where innovation enthusiasts find their tribe, and where experts share their wisdom. We understand that the best learning happens in an environment that encourages dialogue and exchange of ideas. That's why, at PatenTALK, we foster discussions that matter. We believe in the power of collective wisdom. We connect you with those who share your passion, those who inspire you, and those who challenge you. The PatenTALK community is a melting pot of ideas, a space for intellectual stimulation, and a platform for collaborative growth. So come be a part of this vibrant community. Here we do not just acquire knowledge, we exchange it. In the PatenTALK community, we learn, discuss, and grow together. Are you ready to join us on this journey of knowledge, discovery, and empowerment? Your participation makes PatenTALK more than just a source of information. It's a forum, a think tank, a space where we can all contribute to the future of innovation. Your ideas, your engagement, your curiosity, these are the fuel that powers PatenTALK. So don't just watch. Subscribe, engage, become a part of this community. Join PatenTALK, and together, let's shape the future.